to show you what it's like to drive the Alfa Romeo 4C. It's got a carbon fiber monocoque, aluminum front and rear subframes. This is an insanely light car, especially for today's standard, under 2,500 pounds. Right here in the back, we've got a 1.75 liter four-cylinder, turbocharged, 237 horsepower, and 258 pound-feet of torque. Let's hop on in. As you can see, there's exposed carbon fiber all over. It's part of the monocoque. Carbon fiber there. You've even got carbon fiber air vents. Pretty small, but not claustrophobic in any way. The steering wheel feels great in your hand. You've got excellent visibility out of the front and sides. Bad visibility out of the back, but to be expected in a car like this. Beautiful 4C logo here. I love the way the seats feel. They hold you in place nicely without being overly aggressive. Check out this leather handle. Let's pull that. We've got 4 different driving modes. We got natural, all-weather, dynamic, and Alpha Race. We're gonna keep it in natural for now. Got a manual parking brake. Let's go ahead and put it in first. Got a 6-speed automatic dual clutch transmission. Let's put it into manual mode with that button there. This car is all about the driving experience. We've even got manual seats. Everything is in the name of saving weight. We've got no power assisted steering, so it's really heavy at slow speeds, but then it loosens up at high speeds when you get some momentum, and it feels incredible through the turns. Tons of feedback. You can feel exactly what's happening underneath you. Same with the suspension, very communicative. And listen to that turbo. Ooh. Turn in is very direct. Woo. In natural mode, the transmission will shift for you if you forget to shift at redline. It will also deny downshifts to prevent harming the transmission. Oh my God, those blow-off noises are insane. The brakes on this car, they take some effort to push, but when you really depress the brake, man, does it slow this car down. Tighter at slow speeds, and then woo! For a car with this little amount of power, man, does it feel fast. That's the thing about quick cars. It's all about power to weight. Just because it doesn't have very much power does not mean it's not fast. You do get a pretty decent sensation of turbo lag, but in a way it almost adds to the experience. This car is so ridiculous in a sense of how it handles, how it rides on the road. It's not all that isolated. Having the whooshing of the wastegate and that surge of power in the upper ranges of the power band is pretty damn fun. And the way this transmission engages with a nice bang is fantastic. Oh, I love that. I love the way the tachometer looks, how the bar fills up as you get to the higher RPM ranges. You've got a digital speedometer there. It's telling you what gear we're in, and we're in manual mode. Downshifts are quick. Even if you're not pushing the car, normally a lot of transmissions require you to floor it before the shifts engage quickly, but this car, just the slightest throttle and it's still instant. Let's go into this corner kind of hard. Oh, yes. In short, the 4C is incredibly fun to drive. Nothing exemplifies what it's like to drive a 4C more than just having me shut up and showing you the exhaust note and the blow-off. So here we go. Let's get some 4C noises.